Need to turn off YouTube search? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can easily turn off YouTube search. So the very first thing you wanna do is to head over to your application YouTube. Make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, you need to head over to your profile or you at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, you need to head over to the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, you simply need to move into time management. At the bottom of the screen, you can see search feed limit. Toggle it on and select the very few time range. Let me select 15 minutes. It could also show 0 minute. If it is available, then click on it. After that, the search will be unavailable. Once done, go back and head over to playback. You will need to click on playback in feeds. Simply turn it off by clicking on off. Once it has been turned off, now you can go back and check whether the searches are available or not. Here you can see that if I scroll down, the searches are not available anymore. But even after that, if it's available, then click on this three dot icon. Click on show fewer searches. And there you go, the search has been disappeared. Or you can also click on uninterested. After that, you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can turn off YouTube search. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.